My name is Mohammed Khan and I work in an area called Receiving Inspection, which is based in the quality department. Here in quality, we inspect samples from suppliers to determine whether the parts are fit for purpose and to determine whether they are suitable to go on a machine. I've been working at JCB for almost 2 years. Before I started at JCB, I went to college and I studied as an engineer. In my day-to-day job, the biggest challenge I have is there's always a challenge, there's always something new to learn, and there's always a problem to solve. Previously, I did a project at JCB Heavy Products, and we innovated a new training center, and it was a challenge, but I used my skills that I already have in quality to ensure that we did a good job. My colleagues at work would say that I'm motivated, I'm ambitious, I'm passionate about my job, and they'd say that we get along really well, because we do. We're all like a big, great family here at JCB. The advice I'd give to someone in an assessment centre would be to take every opportunity you have and go in there with the most motivation and the best ambition. JCB fit my personal values and personality because I feel like it makes me a better person every day. I speak to people who are very positive every day, and they make me happy to come to work.